Hello guys, most of the people they cannot use the internet in Windows 10 because of the Windows update, and it take all the package of the internet. So today I'm going to show you how to stop or disable the Windows 10 update. So first we'll go here to the search bar and we will write services. This icon, we will click on this icon. Here we can see all the background services working in the Windows 10. Just we will go down and we will look for Windows Update, this one. Here we can see it's enabled and the status is running. So we will double click, and here the startup, it's automatic. So just we will click and change it to disabled. Press apply. Now we disabled the update, but it's still running. So here we have to press on stop and wait. It's finished. Then we will click OK. Now we can see Windows Update is disabled. We will open it again. It's still disabled. Now there's no more update. So when you need to update your Windows or any program, just you can go there one more time, services, and you will open the Windows Update again, and you will make it automatic. And then we'll press apply. After we press apply, here start, and you can make the update, then stop it again. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned it well.